Just sort of a wet weekend now, a warm day, and now we're talking about more wet weather coming.
Yeah, we're talking about wet rest of the week as well as into early this weekend, but today was nice and dry. We are seeing those clouds hanging out over Bakersfield right now, but sun just above from our Breckenridge camera. And it actually turned out to be a very warm one today. So we're looking at right now still a high of 78, could get up to 79, but it looks like it will still be staying right there. But we're talking about 10 degrees above the normal. Today is actually going to be the warmest day of the week. We will be cooling down even into the upper 50s as we head closer to the weekend, but these dry conditions are heading to the east of us. We're talking about moisture making its way in now. We did see a little bit of a breezy day in our mountain community, so that's going to help our air quality just a little bit. We're going to be closer to the lower end of the moderate range with an AQI of 57 tomorrow, but a storm is making its way down into central California starting tomorrow morning. Now it looks like for us, we're going to be getting most of that rain in the afternoon, continuing into those early hours tomorrow. So we're looking at right around 3 o'clock. We're seeing that rain a lot in the mountains, a little bit for us here in the valley, but it's bringing strong winds. So we're looking at 20-mile-per-hour winds down near Fraser Park tomorrow. This is at 3 in the afternoon, 29, close to 30 into Hatchpee, as well as in our desert communities. Now, this continues into those early morning hours on Wednesday. We're looking at possible chance of some slush. Now, it doesn't look like it's going to be getting below freezing for us on Wednesday, but as we head into Thursday, Friday, that's when we could be seeing some of those freezing temperatures, especially in our mountain communities. And as of rain total, we could see close to 1/10 of an inch of rain for us here in the valley. We're talking about a little bit more up in our mountain communities. So we're looking at rain chances across the board. We haven't seen this in a while, so it's very exciting. So 72 is a high tomorrow, then cooling down to those low 60s by Friday, then 57 degrees on Saturday for St. Patrick's Day. Now, good thing that the rain does look like it will be letting up as we head into the overnight hours. Just a little bit chance of rain as we head into early next week. In the Kern River Valley tomorrow, 67 as a high, then dropping down to 56 on Wednesday, with that rain continuing through at least Friday into those early morning hours on Saturday as well, with just a little bit chance as we head into early next week. Now to Hatchpee and Fraser Park, looking at those low 60s, upper 50s tomorrow, and then cooling down to the 50s and then even into the 40s on Thursday. But we're talking about lows that are going to be below freezing starting on Thursday, continuing into Friday. So that storm that's making its way in later in the week is when we could see some snow chances in the mountains.
That's exciting.
Which is very exciting.
That's very exciting. I'm glad I soaked up the sunshine today.
Yeah,
yes.
The last time for a couple days.
I know, and in the 70s, it was very nice though.
Yes.
Thanks for that.